And then what I'll do is check it and just lift the tape on 2 sides, and you'll be able to just go in and see what you've missed, and then go back and do it again. Okay, you see we're looking pretty good. It's very light. I like that, using the woodless pencil on the back instead of carbon paper. If you use carbon paper, the lines would be very dark, and you just need a very light application just so you can see your image, and then you won't have any lines. Okay, so now I have a watercolor pencil, and this is a trick I just picked up earlier this week actually. It was suggested use a watercolor paper pencil to fine-tune, and then when you start applying your watercolor, you don't have to worry about the pencil lines so much, because the watercolor pencil will kind of blend in. So I'm just kind of cleaning it up a little bit right here.